In this video, I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. Click on this option and then select settings. You will land on this page. Now scroll down and you can see verify my age. So what you need to do is click on verify my age. Now you need to scan this QR code with your mobile camera and then tap on begin verifying. Select your country, then one of your government ID to begin the process. I will go with national ID card. So take picture of your front ID card and then back ID card. After that you need to take selfie of yourself. Make sure that it is you in the card and you can see congratulations, you are done. And in the PC you can see verification successful. Close it and now go to the privacy tab and make sure to refresh the page. And you can see microphone and camera input. Now just enable this option. Use microphone to chat with voice. And that's it, guys. Now when you open your Roblox game, you will have the access to chat with mic. Make sure to like and subscribe for more interesting videos.